We have another problem in product of vectors. If we have a bar is equal to I minus 2j plus k, b bar is equal to 2i plus j plus k, c bar is equal to I plus 2j minus k. You have to find a bar cross b bar cross c bar, modulus of a bar cross b bar cross c bar. Let us see how to solve this. First of all, we have to find, we'll find b bar cross c bar. What is b bar cross c bar? I, j, k, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, minus 1. So I into minus 1, minus 2, minus j into minus 2, minus 1, plus k into 4 minus 1. So this is minus 3i plus 3j plus 3k. This is what we have. Then a bar cross b bar cross c bar is nothing but I, j, k, a bar 1 minus 2, 1, b bar cross c bar minus 3, 3, 3. So this is I into minus 6 minus 3 minus j into 3 plus 3 plus k into 3 plus 3 minus 6. So that is nothing but minus 9i minus 6j minus 3k. This is what you get. Now we have to find a bar cross b bar cross c bar. So let us consider a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar is nothing but I, j, k. What is a bar? 1 minus 2, 1. B bar 2, 1, 1. So that is I into minus 2 minus 1 minus j into 1 minus 2 plus k into 1 plus 4. So that is nothing but minus 3i plus j plus 5k. We have to find, now we have to find a bar cross b bar cross c bar, that is equal to I, j, k minus 3, 1, 5 cross c bar 1, 2 minus 1. So this is I bar into minus 1 minus 10 minus j into 3 minus 5 plus k into minus 6 minus 1. So that is nothing but minus 11i plus 2j minus 7k. Modulus of a bar cross b bar cross c bar will be under root of minus 11 square plus 2 square minus 7 square. That is nothing but 121 plus 4 plus 49, which is nothing but this will become 125 plus 49, that is 174. So it is under root of 174. 21 plus 49, 70. So it is 174. Yes. Let us discuss the next problem. Second one, if a bar is equal to I minus 2j minus 3k, b bar is equal to 2i plus j minus k, c bar is equal to I plus 3j minus 2k. Verify a bar cross b bar cross c bar is not equal to a bar cross b bar cross c bar. This is what we have to verify. So first consider b bar cross c bar. B bar cross c bar is nothing but I j k b bar 2 1 minus 1 1 3 minus 2. So that is I into minus 2 plus 3 minus j into minus 4 plus 1 plus k into 6 minus 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1. I 1 minus 4 is minus 3 plus 3j plus 5k. A bar cross b bar cross c bar is equal to ijk a bar 1 minus 2 minus 3 cross b bar cross c bar 1 3 5. So this is nothing but I into minus 10 plus 9 minus j into five plus 3 plus k into 3 plus 2. This is nothing but minus I minus 8j plus 5k. So that is what is a bar cross b bar cross c bar. Now we shall find a bar cross b bar cross c bar. First let us find a bar cross b bar. A bar cross b bar is ijk a bar 1 minus 2 minus 3 b bar 2 1 minus 1 1 minus 2 minus 3 2 1 minus 1. Okay, which is I into 2 plus 3 minus j into minus 1 plus 6 plus k into 1 plus 4, which is 5i 6 minus 1 5 minus 5j plus 5k. 5i minus 5j plus 5k. Next we have to find a bar cross b bar cross c bar, that is equal to ijk 5 minus 5 5 cross c bar 1 3 minus 2 I into 10 minus 15 minus j into minus 10 minus 5 plus k into 15 plus 5. 10 minus 15 minus 5i plus 15j plus 20k. This is the value of a bar cross b bar cross c bar. Clearly both are not equal. Minus I minus 8j plus 5k is not equal to minus 5i plus 15j plus 20k. So clearly you can write Clearly, A bar cross B bar cross C bar is not equal to A bar cross B bar cross C bar. That's about this problem. Let us do the next problem. Third problem for today. If A is equal to 1A square, B is equal to 1B B square, C is equal to 1C C square, are non-coplanar vectors and A square 1 plus A square 1 plus A cube, B square 1 plus B cube, C square 1 plus C cube is equal to 0, show that ABC plus 1 is equal to 0. Solution: given A, B, C are non-coplanar, this implies determinant of 1A A square, 1B B square, 1C C square is not equal to 0. That is, delta is not equal to 0. Consider A square 1 plus A cube, B square 1 plus B cube, C square 1 plus C cube, that is equal to A square 1, B square 1, C square 1 plus A square A cube, B square B cube, C square C cube. You are splitting this into two matrices. You have a rule in matrices that whenever you have determinant, in the determinant if you have sum, you can split it like this. So, take minus common from here. You have 1, 1, 1, A square B square C square, A B C plus, take ABC common here, ABC into, you have 1A A square, 1B B square, 1C C square. Send this here and send this here. You have 1A A square, 1B B square, 1C C square plus ABC into 1A A square, 1B B square, 1C C square. Take 1A A square, 1B B square, 1C C square into 1 plus ABC is equal to 0. Here also you have to write is equal to 0. Everywhere you have is equal to 0. You know that delta is not equal to 0. This implies 1 plus ABC is equal to 0. Hence proved. You have to prove that 1 plus ABC is 0. Hence proved. Next problem. if A bar, B bar, C bar are non-coplanar vectors, then show that vectors A bar minus B bar, B bar plus C bar, C bar plus A bar are coplanar. What is the solution? Given A bar, B bar, C bar are non-coplanar, consider box A bar minus B bar, B bar plus C bar, C bar plus A bar. So this is nothing but 1 minus 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 1 into A bar, B bar, C bar. So plus minus plus 1 into 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 0 minus 1 plus 0 into 0 minus 0. Box ABC is 1. So you have 1 minus 1 here. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel, the answer is 0. Therefore, A bar minus B bar, comma B bar plus C bar plus A bar are coplanar. So that's about today's class, children. We shall continue in the next.